Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Blue Yeti microphone is not working, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first solution is to select the default device in the app as your Blue Yeti microphone, and we can do that now. For example, I am running OBS software, the recording software. So I will open it, click on settings, and then I will click on audio, and here you can see global audio devices. Here it is showing mic auxiliary audio, so I can select the USB condenser microphone. In your case, you should select the Blue Yeti microphone, and then we can also check the output if all this is in the default mode. If that is the case, then we'll apply and click OK, and it should start working. If still it doesn't work, then we need to make sure that it is the default device in the sound settings. So for that, we'll search for change system sound. So you can just search for sound, and we can click on manage output sound devices. Here we need to go to microphone. So if you see, choose a device for speaking or recording, make sure it is expanded, and then click on the Blue Yeti microphone. Select that as your default, and your Blue Yeti microphone should start working. But if it doesn't, then we need to check for permissions, whether it's enabled or not in the app. So right click on the start button, go to settings, look for privacy and security, and then we will go for the microphone app permissions. Click on it, and then we need to make sure that microphone access is switched on here, and it is also switched on for the app that is currently in use. So now for me, OBS Studio is currently in use, so I have made sure that the microphone is enabled access to the app, and once you do that, it should start working. If it still doesn't work, then we need to do two things. One is to restart the Windows audio service. So we will go to services, and then we will look for Windows audio, right click on it, click on restart. And the second thing we need to do is update the audio drivers. So we'll go to device manager, open audio inputs, and then if your Blue Yeti microphone is here, then you'll click on the Blue Yeti microphone, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers, and you can restart the computer. So click on the start button, click on the power button, click on restart, and when you restart again, the Blue Yeti microphone should start working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.